26 years ago, my life had fallen apart because I had lost my way. What I've learned is that if you're going to be a leader, you cannot pay attention to the forces on the outside. You have to start being led by forces on the inside.
It's all about how to be the best version of yourself. It's infectious. I can see it, I can feel it, I can breathe it, I can believe it.
Your values drive your behaviors every day as an organization.
Control the things you can control. The attitude is important, the work ethic's important. It's important to be authentic, to be genuine.
So excited that I registered for this conference. I'm having a wonderful time meeting a lot of different people.
I think it's absolutely powerful to have so many leaders to gather together to be able to learn, grow, and develop together. So I think it's a powerful experience.
How do you maintain a positive attitude, a productive attitude, even more so, in the face of challenge? We have to be always engaging in the process. We always have to be learning. We have to be willing to experiment, even if we fail.
You've heard it. It's a cadence over and over. Relationships, trust. InitiativeOne gives us the tools to do those things. They don't just say, do it. They say, this is how you do it.